heart like a lion, a burning like fire, awaiting just to be set free. A heart like a lion, a burning like fire. How can I bear captivity? Someday tell me I'm a fool. Who walks this road alone? Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for this video I will be teaching you how to play Heart Like a Lion by Rebelution. So mayroon ding version yung mayroon sa Wabad dito. So requested song po ito ni Mr. High. So salamat sa pag-request ng kanta. So first, grab your ukulele. Tune it to standard tuning. And let's begin. So una tayo sa intro. So sa intro, first note dito sa third fret ng A na string. Then second fret. Then chord na E minor. Okay? Then balik sa third fret ng A na string. Second fret na naman. Then dito sa open string ng E. Second fret ng E. Third fret. Then open string ng A. Second fret. Third fret. Fifth fret. Then seventh fret. Okay? Then E minor. Then balik na naman dito sa dito. Then balik na naman sa kanina. Okay? Then pagkatapos niya ng chords ay E minor, D, A minor. Okay, palit-ulit lang yan sa verse. Then merong part na may B minor, C, then B minor, C, then D. Then for the strumming pattern ay up strum. Okay, yan lang. Heart like a lion, a burning like fire, awaiting just to be set free. A heart like a lion, a burning like fire. How can I bear captivity? Someday tell me I'm a fool. This road alone, so afraid of making changes. Remember that nothing is carved in stone. Tell me why we are so afraid of secrets locked within our souls. Everything that we are made of is dying just to be exposed. Oh yeah, don't turn your back on yourself. Still nothing to run. You'll know your life's ain't a practice run. time to wake up your mind. Oh yeah, yeah. For maybe tomorrow will never come. Maybe it will, but then it's too late. Oh, little left to do but cry. Oh yeah, don't you cry. You don't know why. Now you cry, but you don't know why. Oh yeah, a heart like a lion, a burning like fire, a waiting just to be set free. A heart like a lion, a burning like fire, a heart can bear. A heart like a lion, a burning like fire. How can I bear captivity? So more or less yun lang ang mga chords or chord progressions na ginamit ng kanta. So again, yun ang kantang Heart Like a Lion by Rebelution. So salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.